Okay, right into number 4, y equals negative 1/2 times x minus 4 squared minus 3. So a is negative 1/2. Example 4 in your notes, it was positive 1/2, so it's pretty close to our notes. X plus 4, switch the sign of the h, keep the sign of the k. So the vertex should be negative 4 to negative 3. So be careful. This graph, each box is a half unit, a lot like number 2. So just be careful when we're plotting these points. 4, negative 3 would be right here. 4, negative 3. Now, if you're making your own graphs, you don't have to have your graphs go up by a half like this. You can have your graphs go up by 1. That's perfectly fine. Okay, so I write 1 and 3. Now, once again, with a being a negative 1/2, okay, well, 1 times negative 1/2, and I'll write it as a decimal, is negative 0.5. 3 times negative 1/2 is negative 1.5. Okay, those are negative, so we're going down. The horizontal change is always 1 to the right. So this means we go down a half over 1. Now, this is really nice when the coordinate plane now only goes, each box is a half, because that actually helps you here. So to go down a half over 1. Now, once again, each box is a half unit, so we're going down 1 box, going over 2 boxes, okay? Because we need to move over 1 full unit. Negative 4 to negative 3, 1 full unit. Down a half over 1. Then down 1.5. So since each box is a half, going down 1.5 would mean going down 3 little boxes over a full unit, which is 2 boxes. Now reflect these points over, and we should have our 5 points to make up our curve. Draw our parabola, and then state the domain and range. The domain, once again, all real numbers. The range deals with the y-coordinate of my vertex. This one opens down, so it's less than.